Hello, it's Tia, wig coach and wig educator here on YouTube, and I'm bringing you a color highlight today. This is Miss Charlotte from Tressallure. Now, she is a beloved style, and a lot of people have tried this style before. It's really the color I'd like to talk to you about today. This is Mocha Gold, and I don't know why. Every time I see Mocha Gold, the name of it, I always think of a way different color. So I wanted to come on here and really show her out in the natural sunlight of how gorgeous this color really is. The dimension is stunning, and I just wanted to kind of remind you, if you haven't checked out this style in a while, this is Charlotte, but if you haven't checked out this color or you'd like to know what other styles this color comes on, you can message me directly, and or you can visit me at tmwigs.com and I can let you know. Okay, bye.